Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a cook and clean with me. This video is in collaboration with 3 awesome ladies here on YouTube. We all began our YouTube journey around the same time and I enjoy each and every one of them. Tracy from Comfort of My Home, Leanne from Leanne's Life, Courtney from Life with Courtney. I will leave each of their channels linked below along with a playlist so that you can check them out and tell them that I sent you. So let's get busy cooking and cleaning. So today I am making an easy crock-pot chicken. To make this crock-pot chicken, I'm going to use the slow cooker liners, which are so easy just to throw away after use. A half a cup of Parmesan cheese, lemon that I'm going to juice, some black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning, 4 to 5 red skinned potatoes, and 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. So I'm starting with just a glass container and I'm putting in my 4 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm just going to melt that, and I'm going to mix my minced garlic, some black pepper, my ranch seasoning. I'm going to mix all of that in my little glass bowl. Then I'm going to chop some potatoes. I'm going to add the mixture and the potatoes to my chicken in the crock pot, and then I'm going to throw in some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to cook this on low for 4 to 5 hours, and then it is so delicious.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself.
If you are new to my channel, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am so glad that you clicked on this video. I would love for you to like this video and to hit that subscribe button and just become part of my YouTube family. I love my family here on YouTube. I am so blessed and thankful for each and every one of you. My posting schedule is not very regular right now, so make sure you click on that notification bell so that you receive a notification each and every time that I post. And I did do a slow-mo of this cleaning of my dining room table because I love the way things look when they are polished, so I wanted to share that with you as well. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you guys some of the candles that I recently purchased from Amazon that I have on my dining room table. I think they're so cool. They have a little remote control that you can press. There you go. And you can see all the different little settings and it looks like a real candle. Now I'm going to play some music and we'll finish cleaning in the dining room, move to the foyer, and start in the living room.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
While I had everything out dusting, I just decided to move a few things around on my shelves under my TV just to give a little different look. I am in the process of decorating for Valentine's Day. I do not have all of my stuff down now, but I did put out a couple of cute little things for Valentine's Day. And then I'm just going to move on and clean my coffee table and straighten up my couches and my end tables. Living at home in quarantine life, my couches and my end tables look really rough by mid-afternoon, so I'm going to straighten those up as well.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no,
decided to leave this pencil tree up in my living room after Christmas, and I am in the process of decorating it for Valentine's Day. I love to turn it on when I'm sitting on the couch, and it just adds such an extra little ambiance, just a special touch to the room. And so I think I'm actually going to keep it up the rest of the year, and I'm going to decorate it for different seasons. And I think that a time like now, when we are having to social distance and that kind of thing, just little things like this add a special touch to our home.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.